To add your Pluxee card to Samsung Pay. 1. Open the Samsung Pay app on your Samsung phone. 2. Tap on menu or your wallet icon to view payment options. 3. Select Add Card and then tap Add Credit or Debit Card. 4. Take your Pluxee card, formerly Sodexo, and enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV manually, or you can scan the card using your phone's camera. 5. Tap Next. If your Pluxee card supports Samsung Pay, you will be prompted for verification. 6. You'll receive a one-time password (OTP) on your registered mobile number. Enter it to confirm. 7. Once verified, your Pluxee card will be added successfully to Samsung Pay. 8. You can now use your phone for tap to pay transactions at stores that accept contactless payments. 9. To make a payment, simply open Samsung Pay. Select your Pluxee card and tap your phone on the POS machine.